Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Wow, I mean, ADA is really moving in this triangle. I think we have to prepare for a big move. It typically is followed, or a big move typically follows such a really long sideways move. And especially, can you see how the volatility is reducing? It's like the tension is increasing. It's like a spring that you press together, and then at some point it comes loose, and it will make quite a significant move. Yeah, so it's really far in the apex now. So I'm looking forward to seeing that move. I'm also interested to see in which direction we get the breakout. I think the breakout points can be quite clearly defined. We're going to talk about them in this video. Generally, I'm still leaning towards further upside on the ADA chart. The only question is, do we go up more directly from here to form this fifth wave that we talked about in previous videos? That fifth wave can reach sort of the area between 43 and 48 cents, and maybe 53. Yeah, that would all be realistic for the fifth wave. That would complete again an A wave. Then we should get a B wave pullback and can then still move higher in a C wave. Or do we get the breakout of the triangle to the downside? Do we enter the support region? And the support levels are at 35.1 cents, 32.6, 30.7, and then 28.9 cents. From here then, that fifth wave would start, then the B wave, then the C wave. So, it is a very complex chart at the moment, and I think what we need to do is to just zoom out a little bit, understand the bigger picture, and then everything that happens here is really just noise. I try to help you understand the different structures on the smaller time frames, but nobody can predict in which direction triangle breaks out. I'm generally leaning towards higher prices. I think we are, at least we have a good chance to be in this third wave higher. Yeah, we're dealing with a diagonal pattern here, which is a 5-wave move: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. Within the third wave, we're obviously dealing with an ABC structure, ABC. What makes this wave count so ambiguous is the problem that an A wave can be a 3-wave move, but an A wave can also be a 5-wave move. So that's one question to deal with. The other question then to deal with is, okay, if it's a 5-wave move, which would be the yellow wave count, which is what I'm leaning to, is the fourth wave the triangle, or is the fourth wave just an ABC correction and the B wave within that fourth wave is a triangle? So again, don't try to look for absolute precision in a wave count that doesn't offer it, or not in a wave count that doesn't offer it, but in a chart that doesn't offer it. Okay, the pure fact that this is likely a diagonal at best, maybe even just an ABC structure that's evolving here. But if it's a diagonal, which is what I'm currently watching for, then you need to understand that we're dealing here with corrective structures, and these corrective structures can morph, change, transform easily. That is just what they do. That's their daily business. They like to transform and change. Okay, so, but overall, yeah, what we're watching for is a 5-wave move to the upside. We haven't even got 3. Yeah, we're sort of in the middle here. Maybe that entire diagonal is like 50% done. There is much more work to do for ADA, for the bulls, to complete this. Okay, so if we then zoom in again, just want to highlight to you the key breakout points of this triangle. Just prepare for a volatile move to the upside. So a direct pathway to the upside, yeah, would be confirmed with a break above 41 cents. So a break above the B wave high would be a confirmation. A break above the D wave high would be an initial indication that a break to the upside is going to occur, but it's not enough to confirm it. To the downside, if we see a break below the C wave low, that would be good confirmation. Better confirmation and invalidation point of the triangle would be a break below 34 cents. So 34 cents is confirmation. Initial indication would be a break below 35.5 cents. And then we've got these support levels that I indicated to you. Yeah, and overall still watching for higher, but I would not be surprised at all if we test the support first before going higher. Yeah? So we have to give it a little bit of space. Okay, we have to give it a little bit of space. But if you're speculating for a direct pathway to the upside, I think a break below the C wave low will already shift probabilities towards a more direct pathway to the downside. Yeah? Yeah, not much more to add. I think it's just sort of, if you watch the previous videos of the last few days, then you're pretty much up to date. Not much happened because the ADA price is really just moving in this triangle, not affected by Bitcoin at all, as it seems, just sideways. But yeah, it's a very, very obvious triangle. It's really interesting to see how this is all going to get sorted out. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. There's additional content there every single day about trading, technical analysis, Elliott waves, some tips and tricks, also about mindset, some signals, short-term updates, and so on. So if you haven't followed us or if you're not following us yet, then check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.